Guys, what's up? So something big and special happened today, and that is that Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remaster is finally out. Yes, you heard me correct. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remaster is finally out, and this time it has been done by Xtern, a P2P individual or a scene group. This time it's not very clear, but the thing which is very clear that Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remastered is finally out, and the size of the game is around 64.5 GB, highest size, but the game is out. That's the important part. But you guys will be thinking that Reloaded were the only group who had worked on Call of Duty, and they had made a successful attempt and success in a game which had Battle.net, and this time Xtern has done. And now some reports are also suggest that Xtern is a 2.0 version of Reloaded. Reloaded has come out with a new name, but we have to really check and see whether Xtern is really the 2.0 version of Reloaded or a new P2P or a scene group. But the important factor is that Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remaster is out, and as I said in my blog that it was workable and the game could be out, and as I said that Codax was working on it, like it was on the weekends, 2-3 days it was working on it, but now something has taken away from Codax, and Xtern has taken a big game out of Codax, and now Codax has to work on some other games. Let's see which games it picks. Should it go to back again Resident Evil 3 remake? We have to check. But Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remaster is finally out. It's a big game. Now you guys may be thinking whether Call of Duty Modern Warfare, which has the same kind of thing, same kind of Battle.net, could be again next on the list of Xtern, but that factor we have to see, because Call of Duty Modern Warfare is different from Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remaster, because this game only had the single player version. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remaster had only the single player, but Call of Duty Modern Warfare had the multiplayer and the single player, so it would be having much more complexity than Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remaster. But today is a big day because we are seeing a Call of Duty game after so many years. Call of Duty Black Ops 4, I think it came, which had the same Battle.net, and Call of Duty Modern Warfare had the same Battle.net. So it was after 1-2 years we are playing a Call of Duty game. That is very much exciting, and it's a big day, and hopefully Xtern is here to stay. We have to give our support because new things, and it's a time of new P2P, new scene group, and we have to really be patient and support. But today we have to rejoice because Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remaster is finally out, and it's time to play the game. So hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe button. It's your support that is driving this channel forward, and when you subscribe this channel, I give a lot of boost and I get a lot of energy to make new videos and find out new information for you. So what are you thinking? Subscribe now and share this video. Bye bye, take care, see you in another video. Hopefully Xtern will make new games available. Is FIFA 20 next? We have to see. So bye bye, take care, keep gaming.